This is the Synthetic Signal Report for Friday, July 17, 2026, in the afternoon. Today, we track the first atmosphere discovered on an Earth-like exoplanet, the ongoing benchmark rivalry in language models led by the Kimi K3 release, a potential $10 billion compute deal between Meta and Anthropic, and a significant FBI operation dismantling a Steam-based cryptocurrency theft ring. In a milestone for planetary science, researchers have successfully identified the first atmosphere surrounding an Earth-like planet within a habitable zone. This discovery, detailed by international research teams, marks a shift from merely identifying rocky worlds to characterizing the environmental conditions necessary to support liquid water. While the atmosphere's composition remains under analysis, the methodology used to detect these chemical signatures from such a distance provides a new baseline for the search for biosignatures. This is a discovery that moves the field of astrobiology from theoretical modeling to empirical data collection, providing a clear target for high-precision deep space observation platforms. The release of Kimi K3 has prompted a reevaluation of model performance metrics. The industry is currently struggling with benchmark saturation, where traditional tests, like the Pelican benchmark, no longer accurately distinguish between top-tier models. Analysis suggests that Kimi K3 excels by focusing on complex reasoning pathways rather than raw parameter volume. This is an update to previous coverage. As model pricing converges and performance gaps narrow, the focus is shifting toward architectural efficiency. The community is noting that simply scaling model size is hitting diminishing returns, favoring models that can process multi-step logic with lower latency and power requirements. Anthropic is reportedly in early-stage discussions to lease substantial computing power from Meta in a potential deal valued at $10 billion. This move highlights a major structural shift. Meta is actively exploring the commercialization of its excess AI infrastructure as a cloud-based business. For Anthropic, securing additional compute is a strategic necessity to maintain its development velocity. This deal, if finalized, would cement Meta's role as a primary backbone for the next generation of frontier AI models, while providing a significant new revenue stream for their massive hardware investments. The FBI has arrested a Florida man accused of operating a sophisticated scheme that targeted Steam users. The suspect allegedly uploaded fake games to the platform that functioned as Trojans, silently compromising devices to steal browser credentials, session tokens, and cryptocurrency wallet keys. The operation successfully infected approximately 8,000 machines, resulting in the theft of at least $220,000 in digital assets. This case serves as a warning for the gaming community. Even platforms with robust vetting processes are susceptible to malware that exploits trust to bypass standard security measures.
Community chatter is currently concentrated on the following developments. First, security teams are responding to the ACR Stealer campaign, which utilizes click-fix lures to harvest enterprise browser credentials and authentication tokens. Defender experts note that these intrusion chains have intensified significantly since late April, targeting high-value sensitive documents. Second, developers are debating the practicalities of SQLite operations. New guides focusing on running SQLite at scale are trending as engineering teams look for lightweight, reliable database solutions to mitigate the overhead of larger, more complex cluster architectures. Third, the hardware community is analyzing the latest semiconductor updates, particularly the progress of the A14 process technology at TSMC, which is showing faster than expected yields for high-performance computing applications. Regarding emerging tools, the GitHub trending space is highlighting Clot AI's Clot Code. This open-source AI coding agent for the terminal features smart model routing, which automatically selects the most efficient model, such as DeepSeek or Claude, for specific tasks, reportedly reducing development costs by 10 times. We recommend integrating such routing-based tools to optimize local compute overhead.